current projected global GDP growth is of about 3.2% and probably is going to be even revised downwards. Moreover, not just one, many organizations have come out repeatedly to say the global demand is going to be very weak.
Over an hour-long press conference and 32-slide-long presentation, Nirmala Sitharaman laid out a roadmap to nurse the ailing economy back to health. Here are 5 highlights from her prescription. The government announced upfront capital infusion of Rs 70,000 crores into public sector banks, a move aimed at boosting lending and improving liquidity situation. The move is expected to generate an additional lending and liquidity in the financial system to the tune of Rs 5 lakh crores, she said. The minister also announced additional liquidity support of Rs 20,000 crores to housing finance companies by the National Housing Bank, thereby increasing the total support to Rs 30,000 crores. To ease GST-related woes for the MSME sector, the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced that all pending GST refunds will be paid within 30 days. Further, all future GST refunds will be sorted out in 60 days, she said, and hoped this will ease the working capital burden on MSMEs. Nirmala Sitharaman also said that the government would also consider an amendment to the MSME Act to move towards a single definition. The MSME sector, which accounts for about 29% of the gross domestic product, is one of the largest job creators in the country. Sitharaman urged that banks should be more reasonable in passing on interest rate cuts to the end customer, that is the borrower. She said that it has been a common grievance across segments that benefit of the various rate cuts by the Reserve Bank of India is not reaching the customer, and even when it does reach, it trickles down over months and years.